So most people know how to use Zoom on their desktop computer, but I thought I'd give a quick guide on how to schedule meetings from your iPhone or your iPad. So the first thing you need to do is go to Zoom, let the app open and go to sign in. Now it'll give you the option to sign in as Apple, Google or Facebook. I'm going to use Google on this occasion. It asks me whether I want to sign in through Google. I'm saying yes. So I will click on my account. So when we've opened Zoom, let's go to schedule. Let's type in the name for the meeting. I'm going to call mine Mac 24/7 meeting. Highly original. Set the time for, let's go for 7 o'clock. You get 40 minutes as maximum on the basic version. If you pay for the extra version, you can have longer and have more participants. So I'm going to send it to the calendar on my phone and Mac if you've got iCloud Drive. I'm not going to use my personal meeting ID. I don't tend to share that. I tend to generate a new one for each meeting that I do. I'm going to add a character to the password. I'll make it an @ symbol, make it a bit more difficult for anybody to work out. I'm going to put host video on, which is my video, so it will come up straight away and we'll connect. I'm going to put participant video on, which is everybody who else is on the call will come up with their video straight away. And enable waiting room is enabled by default, and that allows the host to let in any participants in the meeting or reject them. If you go to advanced options, which you don't really need to, so if you want to turn on allow join before host, it allows the participants to join the meeting with or without the host present, and automatically record meeting records it to your local drive, which can be your phone, and if you are using iCloud Drive will be synced to your Mac as well. So once you've done that, just click done, and it automatically creates a calendar event. This is what's going to be added to your calendar on your phone and therefore your Mac if you've got iCloud Drive syncing. I'm going to choose a different one. I'm going to choose work. That'll add it to my work calendar, unsurprisingly. And we've got options to repeat it each week. If it's a scheduled meeting, you can repeat it every week if you want. So you can even select travel time, and this will block off any events that happen in your calendar and prioritize the Zoom meeting. I'm going to leave that off for now. Now, invitees, you can add people's email address. So I'm going to add another person, and it's actually recognized that it's a contact on my phone. It's come up with that person's picture. So now the wheel is going round because it's waiting for a response from that person. As soon as I add the event, they'll be emailed with this event. I'm going to keep an alert 15 minutes before. That'll alert me on my phone and on my Mac. I don't want second alert, and I want to show as busy until I initiate the meeting itself. So the meeting information is down the bottom there. What you could do is long press and select all of that and copy it if you want to send it into an email separately. Then it'll also be copied to the clipboard on your iPhone, and you can just go into mail and send it to other invitees. But in this case, I'm going to click add, and it should have added it to meetings. So we can start the meeting directly from here, and if I just go into my calendar, it should have added it to my calendar here. So if I just go into my calendar to check it's added the event, click on the calendar and there's date, and you can see that it's added the meeting at 7 o'clock just as I specified. If I click on that, I can then accept it, and that'll add me to the attendees of the meeting. Likewise, the person I added before, they will do the same, and it'll add them to the invitees, and they'll be notified when I start the meeting. So that's how to schedule a TeamViewer meeting from your iPhone or your iPad in a couple of easy steps. So if you could subscribe and leave a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.